brows, the all-important brows. I am gonna show you how I go from this to this. So let's jump right in. So as you can see, I am bare-faced, bare brows. Oh my god. Okay, so go ahead and show you guys how I do my brows, because I get a lot of questions on it. So first, I will say I used to use the Wonder Brow, which is amazing, but it's $22. So the one that I'm using right now is Makeup Revolution Brow Revolution. So it's the same consistency, it's the same kind of a deal as like in the Wonder Brow, but I guess one does not last as long. But the difference is that this one is $9, you guys. And then the second product that I use is this Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Brow Color. So I love this. This is amazing. It's not waterproof, you guys. I won't lie to you, it's not waterproof. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how exactly I use these two products to make my eyebrows fleeky. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So let's get started, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the actual process. So I'm gonna bring you all up in here. What I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Makeup Revolution Brow Revolution, and I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of take off the excess product. I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly, I don't want to put too much product. I want to go as light as I can, and that's gonna be the key to all of it. Everything that we're gonna use today, you want to go ahead and just kind of make a shadow with this. And we're gonna create that nice thick brow that we deserve. Cause you deserve it, honey, you deserve it. You deserve it all. And as you can see, I'm not doing it perfect at all. And I'm not emphasizing all the areas that I don't have hair. I'm just gonna lightly kind of like shade it in toward the front. You see, I'm not even getting any more product. I'm just gonna kind of blend whatever I have on the brush into this area, because I don't want to overdo it. Then if you do overdo it, it's gonna be way too dark once you put the other product on. So you see, you can still see blotches. We are nowhere near done. We're still gonna continue to work on this, but this is how it's gonna stay for now. You just wanna get your little brush and kind of just set everything up. Slowly add to it, not do it all at once. You want to build it up if you need to. And with this, you want to give it a little bit of time, a minute, to kind of dry up a little bit. I'm brushing it, but I'm very, very lightly. I'm not going straight like this on the skin. I'm just lightly over the hair, not on the skin, because it will come off. I'm gonna give it a minute to dry up a little bit. Now that they're dry and we can fully brush, we go in with the Stila brow pen. I like to kind of just like set it up to be nice and pointy. And with this, it's kind of tricky. You want to make sure that you are putting it on, but not, how can I say it? Not like this. I don't want that. So look at that second one. You see that? Let me see if I can go longer. That's what you want on your brow. You don't want this. You don't want this. You want this. And so let's just start here at the end. So you see that? So it started getting too thick, so I turned it. So right here, I'm kind of making it like a V, like this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. And in the middle, you just go straight down. I'm gonna move the hairs there so you can see. I'm going straight down in the middle. So you see that it's starting to fleek the F out, girl. You want to go with your hair growth. So these grow up, you're gonna grow up. You're gonna go up. These grow this way, you're gonna start going this way, and the top grows down like this. This grows like this. Some people's hair growth is different. You're just gonna follow your hair stroke to get the best natural brow that you can get. If you go too low, it's fine. You're gonna clean that up. If you feel you go too dark, like I think I just went too dark there in the front, you can just brush it out. Now, what I do to make it the most natural is that in the front, where these hairs are right here, just all I move, I do longer strokes so that it looks like my hairs are still sticking up. I don't have that many hairs here, but I'm gonna create the illusion that they're just like this. Any spots that you see that look like they're missing color, go ahead and apply. Right here, that's where I start cleaning up my brow. I don't want to mess up the hair strokes that I just created, so you want to stay away from that area and just clean this part up right over here. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with this one. All the products I am using in this video will be placed down below for you, so you can go ahead and check those out. They have worked wonders for me, and I hope that they can also help you out. If you decide to use them, please be sure to leave me a comment. Let me know if you liked it, if you didn't like it, how it worked out. This arch is thicker, this tail is thicker than this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and correct that. Remember, your brows are supposed to be cousins, not twins. So they're never gonna be exactly the same, especially if you're like me, that you don't have much hair and you have to build them up. So build them brows up, queen. Also, don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to this channel so that you can go ahead and continue to receive awesome videos like this one. I have more hair over here, hence making it darker. I'm just gonna go in this one and kind of like apply more. Just kind of go darker. Still in that stroke-like manner. Basically, that did kind of make it darker, but I see a little spot right here where it's too dark. So there you go, I lightened it. And now it took too much. Ha! There you have it. This is good. You guys are learning a lot. So there you have it. There are my fluffy, natural looking brows. I hope you guys learned. If you have any questions, let me know on the comments below. I'll be sure to reply to you. And you know, I hope you guys learned. It took me a long time to get my eyebrows to be like this, girl. I mean, God, I look at some pictures and I'm like, oh, why? How come my best friends didn't tell me anything? But yeah, so that's what I do. You can do it too. So follow this and you will be looking flaky, honey. And you will get people asking you if you got your eyebrows microbladed. Trust. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like this video and also subscribe if you haven't already. And share, you guys. This is important, okay? All right. See you guys next video. Thanks.